Industrial equipment is typically complex, with assemblies containing thousands if not tens of thousands of parts. In many cases, the first machine built is the machine delivered to the customer. Therefore, it is critical that it operates correctly. Solidworks provides a variety of powerful assembly validation tools, empowering you to meet the everyday challenges of designing complex machinery. When designing moving part assemblies, predicting their behavior and interaction can be a real challenge. Using physical dynamics with a simple drag of any moving component, Solidworks can accurately simulate contact and interaction with surrounding parts, enabling you to gain a complete understanding of the kinematics at an early design stage. Pinpointing of clearance and interference issues can have a big impact on reducing overall design time. Solidworks Clearance Verification is a quick and powerful tool to help you ensure all your clearance requirements have been met. Simply specify the minimum clearance, followed by the parts or assemblies to check. Clearance violations are isolated, helping you identify necessary design changes long before your machine is put into production. Being able to accurately represent all types of motion in your design software is critical to getting your design right the first time. Solidworks provides a comprehensive suite of tools for defining the motion of gears, cams, belts, and chains, plus many more. Combining the mechanical definition with dynamic collision and clearance detection provide a powerful tool set for identifying problem areas, enabling you to make informed design decisions before production and physical assembly, where they are easier, less costly, and less time-consuming to address. Checking and validating hole positions of assembled components is also an important but time-consuming part of the machinery design process. Solidworks Hole Alignment Tool dramatically reduces the time required to check the alignment of hole positions. Any misaligned holes are clearly listed with a maximum deviation between centers and highlighted on the screen for easy identification, enabling you to identify and fix any problem areas up front. These are just a few of the many tools in Solidworks that help you get your design right the first time, meeting the everyday challenges of designing industrial equipment in an increasingly competitive global market.